Let's glam up a pair of sneakers. Join me for this 1, 2, 3 quick video. Okay, first thing we need to do is determine how much lace we're going to need for the tongue of the shoe. Once I decide that, I cut a piece of the lace and I apply E6000 glue to adhere it to the tongue of the shoe. You can use fabric tack if you like. Then I clamped it while I worked on the back heel of the shoe. I applied it and then I cut it all along the rubber edge of the sole on the back so that it's nice and straight. I cut a little bit more off there so that it wasn't covering the black line. And now you can see how nice and straight it is. So now we have some on the heel and we have some on the tongue of the shoe. Now we're going to apply some beautiful crystals. These are aqua color crystals with pearls and a little bit of clear Swarovski crystals. These are so pretty. Once you get a pattern going, I like to start the pattern on both shoes at the same time in the center and then work both ways. That way they look a little symmetrical when you have them on. I just continued working in sections, applying the E6000 glue to the toe of the shoe, and before we knew it, we had one done. And here's the ribbon that I chose. I chose a matching ribbon. It's a silk-like ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I add a little bit of hot glue and then I blow it to the very tip and I kind of twist it a little bit so that it comes to a point so that I can put it through the eyelets on the shoe for the shoelaces. Now, you can do your shoelaces any way you want. Just Google different ways to do shoelaces and you'll find a myriad of ways, but I just did it the regular old shoelace way, and I think it turned out really super cute. And I'd even venture to say if Audrey Hepburn wore sneakers, she would wear these. Wouldn't you agree? Okay, get ready because you're getting ready to hear the soft shoe. That's about as soft as a soft shoe gets. Well, anyway, check out the bling factor. I had it in the sunlight, and I think it turned out really pretty. Now, look close because this is not special effects on here, folks. This is just bling. How pretty. Look at all that sparkle and shine. Love, love, love how these turned out. I hope you'll give it a try. I hope it inspired you in some way. Now, you don't have to use ribbon as laces, but I think they turned out awfully cute. You can also use lace. I think lace would make a really pretty addition to this pair of shoes as well. Or you can just wear them with regular old shoelaces. I did not lace them all the way up because I didn't want it to cover up all that pretty lace that we added to the tongue of the shoe. So I'll wear them as slip-ons. I think they turned out fabulous. What do you guys say? I'll be wearing these beauties in St. Augustine, and I can't wait to see them sparkle and shine in that Florida sunshine. Thanks so much for watching Bellalina Boutique. And make sure you're following me in all the right places. Facebook, Etsy, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram.